Cool mist versus warm mist humidifier. Which one is the best for you and why? Let's check out what is the difference between them, how they work, and who comes out on top in this face-off. Let's go! Why we call them cool mist and warm mist humidifiers? Humidifiers are split into two types based on the temp of the mist they pump out. Cool mist humidifiers spit out a chill mist, and warm mist humidifiers release a high temperature mist. Let's start from cool mist humidifiers. Here you've got two kinds of gadgets: ultrasonic and evaporative. Ultrasonic humidifiers use high-frequency sound waves to break water into super tiny microscopic droplets, and then they release them into the air. Evaporative humidifiers soak up water into a special filter. Then a fan blows air through it, making the water evaporate. Why cool mist humidifiers are super? They are safe around kids and pets. There is no risk of burns from hot steam. Awesome in the summer because they don't heat up the room. Ultrasonic humidifiers are quiet, not messing with your daily stuff. Evaporative humidifiers help keep the air clean because dirt from the water gets caught in the filter. They are energy efficient, so they are easier on your wallet. Any downsides? They are not so great on cold days. You might feel a bit chilly. Ultrasonic types can leave a white, dusty residue from minerals in tap water. You might need to use distilled or demineralized water. Evaporative humidifiers can get noisy because of the fan, and you need to swap out their filters now and then. Now it's time for warm mist humidifiers. These are steam humidifiers, pretty much working like a kettle. They heat up water to boiling, which can also help kill off germs and bacteria. The hot steam is then sent out as a warm mist. What's so great about them? The steam can help sanitize the air since the high heat kills germs and bacteria. They don't leave any residue because the water is boiled off. Perfect for chilly weather since the warm steam feels cozy. They can help soothe cold and flu symptoms, and you can toss in some essential oils too. Generally, they are pretty quiet. What about the negatives? Risky for kids and pets because of the hot steam and heated body of the unit. They gobble up more energy since they need to boil water, and you can feel it in your wallet. Might make your room a tad too warm, which you might not want in the summer. Quick summary: cool mist humidifiers are for you if safety is a big deal for you, especially with kids and pets around. You want something that won't jack up your energy bills and good for warmer days. Go for a warm mist humidifier if you need something for the colder months because the warm mist is more comfortable. You're into the idea of also zapping germs in the air. So, who is my own winner? I would choose the cool mist humidifier, and it would be the evaporative model because I have a cat and I want to make sure he won't get burned. They are energy efficient too, and that definitely makes a difference. Keep in mind that the ideal humidity level in your place should be between 40 to 60%. Too dry and your respiratory system takes a hit. It dries out the protective mucus in your nose, making you more prone to infections. Plus, dry air can cause a runny nose, cough, and even bug your eyes and skin. Too much humidity, though, can encourage mold, fungi, and mites, which isn't great for allergies or respiratory issues. Finding that sweet spot is the key to keeping your home's air healthy. So, which humidifier did you go with and why? Or have you used one before and got some handy tips? Share in the comments below. If you like this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and see you next time.